Guys, today we'll discuss to you the summary of my chapter 11 report. Today guys, we will start our summary from the chapter 11, which is the switch security configuration. Secure unused port. And a simple method that administers the help network authorization access to disable unused port of switch. This use is for the sake of the storage of a port. Mitigation MAC address table attacks. Enable port security. The switch port security command was rejected, and the port is configured with the switch port mode access. That is the proper and the syntax for it. Limit and learn MAC address. To set the maximum number of MAC address allowed in the port, use the command. This is the command for the MAC address. Default port value is 1. Maximum the secure MAC addresses that can be configured depends to the switch in iOS. Okay, next. Port security. There are the two types of port security aging. One is absolute, two in its activity. From absolute, the security addresses port deleted from the specific aging time. The next is while the inactivity is the security addresses the port deleted only if they're inactive of a specific aging time. That is the difference between two. Port security violation mode. This is the set for the port security violation mode. Use the following command. Switch config if switch port security violation. Port in error disable site. When port is shut down, place the error disabled state no traffic sent received on the port. A series of port related messages display on the console. Verify your port security. And display port security switch is the show security command. Next is the switch port security command because maximum allowed is 1 only. Step in mitigating VLAN hopping attacks. These are the steps from the VLAN hopping attacks, as you can see. First is disable DTP. Next is disable unused port and put them to the VLAN. Manually enable trunk link and trunking port by using switch port. Disable DTP or auto trunking. 5 is the set native VLAN to VLAN and VLAN 1 by using the trunk. DHP snooping. Step to implement DHP snooping is enable snooping by using the IPDHCP. Next is the IPDHP snooping attack. Next is the IPDHCP snooping limit area. And next is the IDHCP snooping VLAN. Dynamic ARPAP inspections. DI implementation guidance. These are the following standard for the DI implementation guidance. Next is the DI example. There are the DI example, the destination MAC address. Next is the source MAC. Next is the IP address. Port fast and BPDU. These are the two parts of BPDU, the port fast and the BPDU guard. Configuring port fast. This port fast is a interface by using spinning tree port fast interface configuration command. Configure BPDU guard. BPDU guards enable port using spinning tree BPDU guard enable interface configuration command. Use the spinning tree port BPDU